Okay, let's continue. Granny, it was your fault because you have such a big butt. Let's throw this there and this here and then from Granny. Oh, no, 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 no. Okay, she's happy. Where's the? Oh, I want to break my stuff. Like this over here. Oh wait, it's kind of hard to see, but I can manage. You just sleep. Don't sleep while your cat is here, because this cat is a naughty cat. She mommy. Oh, okay, you can look for a funny girl. There's more stuff to break over there. There's more stuff to break over there, so I think I'm gonna go over there. I accidentally hurt her and her butt is so big. I'm sorry, I can't stop saying that her hair is so... I don't
You've got to for me. Etc. You came far for me.
what am I doing now? There's so many coins.
You've got to for me.
Yeah, whatever. Hi, Granny. I literally can't see actually nothing. Continue. Okay, let's continue. The ad was annoying. Oh, this is like so annoying and I actually can't see anything. Am I on the left guys? I can't see. I can't see. The plant is blocking my way. Blocking my way. I'm sorry.
Finish here. You came far for me. You came far for me.
Okay, let's continue. What else can I do? So that broke her up.
You came far for me.
No, I'm gonna break stuff on the second floor also. But first, I wanna catch this. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna press okay, let's continue. I don't even know. Oh, no, 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 no. Is she done? Is she done? Is she done? How did she get me? No. So sorry for a short video, but that's it for today. So bye guys.